the Blue Star Higher Secondary School, Class 6, Subject Social Science. Children, today we are going to write the classwork. You have a rule note for social science. Write the topic motion of the earth. Don't write this topics, subtopics and all. Only write the motion of the earth. Lesson number 3. Write motion of the earth. Introduction. Our earth also moves continuously in the space and it has two main types of motion, rotation and revolution. The objectives are they understand the two motions of earth and the effects. Mind map. Motion of the earth. Rotation, revolution, circle of illumination, equinox, winter solstice, summer solstice. You should draw the mind map. It is compulsory to draw the mind map in your classwork. The D words with meaning English and Tamil. Rotation, the movement, motion, the movement and the motion of the earth on its axis in 24 hours is called rotation. Revolution, revolution is the movement of the motion of the earth around the sun in 365 1/4 days. Elliptical orbit. The path on which the earth revolves around the sun is termed as a orbit. Solstice. Either of two times in the year, the summer solstice and winter solstice is an event occurring when the is farthest from the equator. Hemisphere, half of a sphere. Circle of illumination, the division between the day and night over the earth. The topics are rotation, revolution, orbital plane, circle of illumination, leap year, elliptical orbit, summer solstice, winter solstice, equinox. The 1 mark is filling the blanks. First one is due to the sphere shape of the earth, on the half of its get light from the sun at time. The answer is spherical. Due to the spherical shape of the earth, on half of its get the light from the sun at a time. The answer is spherical. Second one, it is an atom in northern hemisphere on 23 September. The third one is it is an atom in southern hemisphere on 21st March. A leap year has 366 days. The daily motion of the earth is rotation. The earth revolves around the sun is elliptical. The days are shorter during the winter season. The sun rays falls vertically on the Tropic of Cancer. The answer is Cancer on the 21st June. Choose the correct answer. The movement of the earth around the sun is known as A. Rotation, B. Revolution, C. is inclination. The answer is revolution. The second one is direct rays of the sun falls on the equator on A. Option is 21st March. B is 21st June. C is 22 December. The answer is 21 March. The Christmas is celebrated in summer in Japan, India, Australia. Answer is Australia. The circle that divides the globe into a day and night is called circle of darkness, circle of day and night, circle of illumination. None of these. The answer is circle of illumination. The period of one rotation of the earth is known as the sun rays. D option the moon day. C option is the earth day and D option is none of these. The answer will the earth day. 2 marks. What do you mean by the orbital plane? The answer is the plane formed by the orbit is called as the orbital plane. Second question, define an earth day. The period of the rotation is described as an earth day, that is 24 hours. What are the axis and orbit? The axis, third question, what are axis and orbit? The axis of the earth is an imaginary line joining the North Pole. orbit is the elliptical part on which heavenly bodies moves around the sun or planet. Fourth one is, what is a leap year? The year with 366 days instead of 365 days is known as a leap year. What is equinox? Equinox is the equinox. What is an equinox? Equinox is the portion of the earth on 21st March 23 September both the hemisphere experience equal day and the night. 3 marks. The difference between summer and winter solstice. Summer solstice. It is a summer in northern hemisphere. Winter solstice, it is a winter in northern hemisphere. The days are longer, night are shorter. The days are in winter solstice, the days are longer, nights are shorter. And third, the whole northern experience more heat and light. In northern hemisphere, experience less height and heat, less heat and light. What could happen if the earth did not rotate? If the earth did not rotate, the first point is the portion before the sun could have been remained the same and continue to experience the day regularly. The second point is, on another hand, the portion of the earth away from the sun could have experienced night continuously. The third point is, life could have not been possible on the earth in such situation. The third question is, why do the poles experience about the 6-month day and the 6-month night? The first point is, when the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, the North Pole remains in the light for the whole of the day. This portion remains for 6 months. The second point, when the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, the South Pole remains in light for 24 hours for 6 months from 23 September to 21st March. Reserve are the conditions at the North Pole 6-month night. 3 marks has been completed. Now we are going to see about the 5 marks. How are seasons caused? Elliptical orbit. The earth revolves around the sun on an elliptical orbit. Next point is direction. It is an axis is inclined in the same direction on its orbit by an 23.5 degree. The revolution of the earth and the inclination of the earth axis is fixed direction cause season. The third point is, a year is divided into 4 seasons. They are spring, summer, autumn, winter. The seasons and its position changes. The season change with the change in the position of the earth around the sun. From June to December, it is the summer in the northern hemisphere, and in winter it is the southern hemisphere, and vice versa from the December to June. March to June is the next point. March to June is the spring in northern hemisphere and autumn in southern. The vice versa from September to December. The 5 marks has been completed. After completing all the question answer, underline it. Through this, I have attached a PDF. Thank you, children.